too. My one's getting
Tobin, what are you doing?
Godfork and eat some noodles.
Are they yummy?
Mm-hmm.
It's a big fork.
I want to get some close up with music. Oh, great. That hurted. And make some music in the background.
Thank you for setting the scene.
You're welcome. Hey, stop taking that background with that thing. You just spoiled it.
Are you okay?
Alright.
Did it get stuck in your throat?
Sleepy beauties. Sleepy beauties. Sleepy beauties. Sleepy beauties. Good morning, sleepy beauties. Good morning, sleepy beauties. Wonder is spring.
Alright, well don't play with it, you gotta eat it.
Cash, this song is oddly appropriate for this movie.
You're welcome.
You may have a career in
Hey, stop looking at the background.
filmmaking and scene setting.
Hey, stop looking at the background. You'll spoil who's doing the music.
Oh, I'm not supposed to look. Oh, I'm sorry. You're in the background. Is this
Yeah.
movie about Tobin?
That's about Tobin. Next time it's about me, okay?
Okay.
Good job, buddy.
Some more noodles. Just don't make me smash.
It's a magic word.
Cucumber in your face. Please, more noodles.